Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line. We are working with fractions with a problem related to TEKS 4.3e, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got different types of vegetables, tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and we need to find the fraction of the vegetables that are tomatoes or cucumbers. All right, so we don't really need this peppers, but when we're dealing with fractions, right, each fraction is going to have a numerator and a denominator, and they don't really give that to us. So we need to decide what our numerator and our denominator is going to be. So our numerator is going to be always going to be our number selected. So sometimes we are going to shade uh, a square that we have cut up into smaller pieces or a circle we've cut up into smaller pieces, and we want to shade a certain amount. Or in this case, we're talking about the number of tomatoes or the number of peppers or the number of cucumbers because we're looking at it by each of the different types of vegetable in turn. Now, our denominator is going to be always our total. So that's always going to be the easier one to try to figure out in these real world problems. Denominator is always going to be the total. So how many total vegetables do we have? Let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so our total is going to be 12. Let's see, tomatoes, peppers, even though we're not really going to use that, cucumbers, but they're all going to be in twelfths. And so let's at least put that down there because we can now treat this as one whole set of 12 different vegetables. And now we can look at them kind of individually. We can add them, we can subtract them if we need to, if we use the same denominator. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tomatoes. I've got 1, 2, 3 peppers, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cucumbers. And if we put them all together, 5 and 3 make 8, 8 and 4 make 12. So it makes the whole set of vegetables. All right, so we now have some fractions for each of these different types. How can we turn this into an addition sentence? Well, when we're dealing with fractions, we need to always ensure that before we add or subtract, we have the same denominator. We can do that by generating equivalent fractions, but in this case, we went ahead and we made all of them twelfths because we treated it as one whole set of vegetables, broke it up into three unequal parts of tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. Now let's show how we can use a number line to add these. All right, so we're going to draw a number line between 0 and 1, and this 1 is going to be our full set of vegetables. So that's 12 twelfths, and 0 is 0 vegetables. So how are we going to draw twelfths? Well, this is what I would suggest. There's a few different ways to do it, but I always try to go by halves as much as possible because those are a little bit easier to kind of draw visually. So I'm going to cut it in half. Now I'm going to cut each half in half. So half of a half is a fourth because 2 times 2 makes 4. Then at that point, you can't keep cutting it in half to get to twelfths. You're going to need to take 4 times 3. You're going to have to take each of these twelfths and cut it into thirds. So visually, you're just going to have to try to separate them into 3 equal parts, but it's a little bit easier when they're smaller like that. So there we go. Those are our twelfths. And so we need tomatoes. So tomatoes is going to be all the way up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So I'm going to draw a little arrow. I'm going to say 5 twelfths. And then cucumbers is going to be an extra 4 twelfths. So I'm not going to start from 0. I'm going to start from my 5 twelfths. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to go right here. So that's going to be 4 twelfths. Well, I can add how many? 4 and 5 make 9 twelfths. So that's as far as I've gotten. So my answer is going to be D.